Hi, I'm Eric from Dirtydog here. We are here to show you how to install a roll bar, set of roll bar covers for a Jeep Gladiator Soft top. Very similar to the hard top version. This is the soft top version, so now we have to work around the door surround brackets. The soft top version can be used if you have a dual top option. You can use the soft top roll bar covers with the hard top as well too. So we're going to get started here. So to show you how to get rolling with it, look for your, there's two sides, there's a left and right. You'll see a right tag sewn on the inside here. And sorry, a left hand, we're doing the passenger side here. So yeah, sorry, we're gonna have a right hand tag sewn in. Look for your right hand tag side and we go from there. So what we've got to do here is, one thing we have to worry about is the surrounds, the door surrounds. These are gonna have to come, you don't have to take them off completely. You take the front one off completely. The back one, because the soft top itself sits on there, you'll see it still mounts on that. We've taken off the rear windows here. We've taken everything off there, but we don't have to completely remove the soft top. I'm showing you how to do it. If you choose to want to take the soft top off and build the door surround, you can do that, but I'm going to show you how we're going to do it here. So what you're going to need first is you're going to need your Jeep tool. You're going to need your Torx, the T-bit and the ratchet. I'm going to use our drill because it's a little bit quicker. So what you want to do is you're going to remove your bolts. You already removed one off here in the front. We're going to remove this one here. Go right out. Go to your back. You're going to remove these ones as well too. And don't worry about it, nothing's going to fall off. So just loosen these ones off. Here and one here. So pull off your bolts. Everything sort of stays in place. So what you will want to do though is you can pull the front one off. It just kind of fits underneath. It slides underneath. I'll tilt that up a bit for it. So, front one, you're going to lift it up, because it slides underneath the little rubber stuff. You pull that one off completely. In the back here, you're not going to pull everything off. When you go to put the roll bar covers on, we're just going to, this whole thing lifts up. So you're just going to lift it right up. And we'll do that in a minute. So what I'll do is I'll start at the front here. So you can see, kind of see the shape of it. This, you've got the rib pieces in the back here. This goes towards the back. Your front piece is here. So you're going to basically, you're going to take it like this. Throw the longest piece to the back. Wrap it around the top. You're going to see the cutouts where the brackets go here. And do your zipper up. Do the zipper up. You have a little bit of a tab hanging off here at the end of the zipper. You can just push it in underneath the roll bar cover there, hide it, and that's in place. Now, to do the rear, a little bit more time involved with the rear. So what we're going to do here, let me see, make sure I got some. So you have this here. This has to go underneath where the brackets are, where your cutouts are. So basically, what you have to do is you're just going to lift it. You're not going to take it up completely. You're just going to lift it. Take one hand up. And you're going to get around this bracket up here, just so that it clears the hole. So once we got that one in there, then we'll lift it up again. Put this through the bracket, so the hole goes around the bracket. And that's, now you clear the bracket. You can drop the back in place. Take a look here when you're putting this back down. Make sure it lines up, and the hole is here. And there's going to be, line up the bracket, make sure it drops into the top. That way you don't have to fully remove the whole soft top, you can leave it in place. So now what we're going to do is we'll do the zipper up. There's a zipper here on the inside. There we go. That may look easy. Okay. So you get your zipper in. And then to get the last part of it here, just pull your seat down. Let me see if I can position that. Pull your seat down. And just Velcro at the bottom here, and you're just going to pull it underneath the seat belt. Wrap it, pull it tight, put your seat belt back up. So now what you have to do is you have to tighten these brackets down. So before you tighten them down, we'll go back up front here. Before we tighten them down, you're going to put your front one back in. Make sure you lift it, slide underneath there. Pull the roll bar cover out of the way. and little notches that the top fits in. There's like a little cutout that just drop in. So now you can put your bolts back in, line up easily. Front leg. And use the tool, take it back up. I'm cheating here using a drill bar. That one's in, so now you're gonna go back and do the same to the back. The back one, line them up. Now, what I've done here, you have to be careful with this, is I've got some of the roll bar cover trapped underneath the brackets. The bracket isn't dropping down, so make sure before you do tighten it up, look on the top, make sure there's nothing keeping the bracket from dropping down in place. And once it's back down in place, then you can put the bolt in. So you can see what, even someone that's installs these regularly, you can see you got to watch what you're doing, make sure you install it properly. Tighten that one up. Tighten that one up. So you're fully installed now. There's a piece of Velcro at the top here that matches the two. There's a piece of Velcro here that joins the two at the top. You can get up, take a look at it. Just pull them tight. And now you get it in. You're fully installed now. Tighten this back up. Repeat. Go do the same thing on the other side. And that's it. Quick, easy install. All right. Have a great day.